This is part 2 of the CCNA 200-301 complete course. Today I'm going to show you how to install Cisco Packet Tracer. Kudos to Cisco for making this great simulation software for free. So I'm going to show you the step by step, and please guys, make sure that you install Cisco Packet Tracer. Follow the steps and do the same thing, because I have prepared a mega lab for you guys so that you can do a lot of hands-on experience, so that when you go for your CCNA exam, you can cross your exam. When you go to the field of work, you already have a hands-on lab experience that will make you explode in the field. So let's do this. Open a browser, type in netcard.com. Cisco page have opened. Go to login, click login. The login page will open. Now from here we need to create an account. Go down and click the sign up, and from here we need to enter our information to create an account. I've already created a Packet Tracer demo email. So let's just enter the Packet Tracer demo email, packettracerdemo@gmail.com. From there now we can create a password. So let me enter my password for this demo. So from here now, let's enter the balance informations and click register. So after you have registered, Cisco network card will send you an email. You can either save or never. This is just a Packet Tracer demo. Now we need to verify our account. As you can see, we need to verify our account. Let's go to the email now. The email, the Packet Tracer demo email. So from here now, we'll check in our inbox for the message, activation message. As you can see, all the message is in our inbox. From here now, we need to activate it. Activate our account to verify the account. Give it some little time. From this point now, we can log in with the information we use to create our account with. So from here, you can see the page. We need to enter all the informations. So I have already created those informations. So let's just try to click and create account. From this point now, the Packet Tracer, the network card have opened. So we need to either enroll for the course. Like if you want to know more about Packet Tracer, you can enroll for the course, or let's just download the Cisco Packet Tracer. From the resources, you can go to click the download, and from here now we have different operating system. Like we have the Windows, the Linux, the Ubuntu. So we are downloading for Windows. So now let's click for the Windows operating system. So as you can see, the download is going. So now the download has finished. Let's launch, accept the agreement. It's all about next. We are using the default setting for Cisco Packet Tracer. Next. It's all about next until the software installed in our system. A great simulation software and to use, especially when you are preparing for CCNA. Please use Cisco Packet Tracer. It's a free simulation software, very good one. I use it to pass. So now let's click finish. From here now, we can launch now Cisco Packet Tracer and use our information to log in to the account. So let's just give it some little time. So from this page now, we can log in and use the information we use to create the account with the Cisco Net card. So we need to use the same information, the email and password we use to log in to create an account with Cisco Net card. So now here we can sign in with the information we use, like the packet tracer demo at gmail.com. Very simple to create. So guys, please follow up and do the same. Packet tracer demo at gmail.com. From here, now click next. Use our password we use to create the Cisco Net card account. Use the password, same password. I will try to log in. From here now, Packet Tracer software, simulation software will open. As you can see, simulation software have opened. From here, we need to click and drag some nodes, do some beautiful connections for sample demo. This is the router. Go for a switch. Now click on the switch, drag the switch. Let's look for a PC. At the same time, look for a PC, one more PC. Yes. So now let's do some connections here from the router to the switch, from the switch to, now see, from the router to the switch. Now make another connection from the switch to the PC, from the switch to another PC. So you can see this is a great work going on here. You too can do this. Take use of this advantage. Cisco have created this great simulation software for free. All you need to do is to follow the steps and create an account. These are some of the features under the reference. You can see we have a lot of features here. You want the link light to come on, you can show link light. As you can see now, all the link lights are on. You can disable it. At the same time, if you want, you can show the device models. You can see from here, like all the models of the device, router 1941, switch models. You can disable it too. So all these are great features to use in the Packet Tracer. If you want to know more, you can enroll in the course. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot to offer. I have prepared a lot of mega labs for you so that you can crush your CCNA. Subscribe, please share and comment.